Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a computer that does not switch on, regardless of it is connected to a power source, and no matter how many times the user has switched on the switch button or the reset button, it does not show any sign of switching on. So, first of all, we're gonna test if the power supply has, it is if the power supply is providing power to the motherboard. And to do that, we're going to manually test the PSU or the power supply by using a paperclip to act as a jumper switch to power off the PSU or the power supply of the computer. So as you can see from here, we are using a paperclip that has a rubber coating, and we're only removing the coating from both ends. And now we're going to use it to jump the cables in the 24 pin cable of the PSU. So I asked Elijah to find the green and the red cables, and yeah, as you can see from here, that is the green and the red cables. Now we're gonna insert the paper clip that we bent into a U shape to the ports of this 24 pin cable. So just make sure that when you plug this, just for your safety, remove the cable from the PSU or the power supply, and short the green cable and the red cable of this 24 pin connector. So Elijah is new to this stuff, so I'm giving him enough time to figure out how to do it. But there it is, it's easy. After you jump it, you're just going to connect the power to the PSU, and there you go. You can see that the fan immediately activated after we put the power, just because it's because that the green cable of the 24 pin connector is the triggering switch to power on the motherboard. So we're gonna put it back, and we're going to proceed to the next step. So now that we've figured out that the power supply is working, we're gonna test and press the power again, the power switch. And if that does not work, we're gonna directly switch on the motherboard by short circuiting the those pins in the motherboard. That is the positive and negative pins for switching on the computer. As you can see, when we short circuit those pins using a screwdriver, the computer has switched on. So now that we have figured out that the switch button is faulty, we're gonna look for other switch button that we can find. So here we have a faulty MF Canon MF3010 printer, and this is already deemed unfixable. So we're gonna remove this switch button from this faulty printer, and we're gonna use that to power up our computer. Now the button switch of the Canon MF3010 printer is slightly different from that of the switch of the PC. The PC's power switch is called a momentary switch because it does not lock up like the normal button switch. So when you press it, it just, like momentarily completes the circuit to power up the PC. But this button has its own circuit, and you cannot just use the those two wires at the end to cut and plug to the power switch of the PC because it has its own this little circuit board. So what we're doing here is we are connecting those two pins from the PC's power supply, I mean power switch, and directly connect those two pins from the switch itself. So here we are attaching the Canon MF3010's button at the back of the PC, and we're trying to secure it with three cable ties. If we put this in front, it's not gonna look nice, so we're just hiding it at the back, and we're gonna inform the user of this PC to use the switch at the back and not the ones at the front. So here we are connecting those two wires to the motherboard. Those two pins are there. It's easy to find, especially for those who are already experienced with troubleshooting motherboards. So here we're gonna switch it on, test our new button, and there you go. You can see that the PC is now working, and yeah, that's it. That's simple, and that's how easy it is to troubleshoot a computer that does not work. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comment at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.